Welcome to Decor Menu, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations and decor tips. Today we will show you a collection of beginner-friendly pallet wood project ideas you can make in a weekend. Using pallet wood for furniture making has gained significant traction among beginners looking to create small projects. Pallet wood is readily available, cost-effective, and adaptable, making it an appealing choice for those starting their woodworking journey. Understanding the benefits of using pallet wood can help beginners appreciate its unique qualities while simultaneously fostering creativity and sustainability in their projects. One of the most compelling advantages of using pallet wood is its accessibility. Pallets are ubiquitous in shipping and logistics, often discarded or left unused after deliveries. This accessibility allows beginners to source wood without the expense associated with purchasing premium lumber. Many businesses will even give away old pallets for free or sell them at a minimal cost, making it easy for novices to acquire materials for their projects. This opens the door for experimentation and learning without a substantial financial commitment, which can be especially vital for those who are still developing their skills. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content so far? If so, please watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Working with pallet wood also provides a fantastic entry point for beginners to hone their woodworking techniques. Pallet wood is typically made from softwoods, making it easier to cut, shape, and sand compared to hardwoods. This softer material lends itself well to common introductory tools, allowing novices to become familiar with using saws, drills, and sanders safely. Furthermore, because pallets are often made from mismatched wood pieces, beginners can practice their joinery and finishing skills without the harsh ramifications of mistakes on high-quality woods. This creative freedom nurtures confidence, enabling woodworkers to experiment and innovate as they develop their craft. The character of pallet wood is another significant factor that attracts beginners. Each pallet tells a story. The distressed wood, with its unique marks, colors, and grain patterns, offers a rustic aesthetic that resonates with many consumers today. Rather than striving for perfection, using pallet wood allows beginners to embrace the imperfections that give each project its character. This authenticity is appealing to those looking for handmade furniture that bears the marks of skilled craftsmanship. It encourages a design philosophy that celebrates the uniqueness and individuality of each piece, rather than striving for mass-produced uniformity. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, using pallet wood often promotes a sustainable approach to furniture making. As environmental consciousness rises among consumers, there's a growing demand for sustainable products. By repurposing pallets, woodworkers contribute to reducing waste and promoting an eco-friendly ethos. This practice not only lessens the demand for newly sourced timber, but also allows craftsmen to engage in a form of recycling and upcycling. For beginners, this sustainability narrative adds value to their projects and helps them connect with a community of like-minded makers passionate about responsible crafting. For many beginners, working on small projects using pallet wood allows for efficient time management. Small projects can be completed relatively quickly, providing a tangible sense of accomplishment that encourages further exploration in woodworking. Whether creating simple shelves, small tables, or storage solutions, the speed of completion contrasts sharply with larger, more complex furniture pieces that require much more planning, skill, and time investment. When novice woodworkers can quickly see their efforts materialize into functional items, it fosters a feeling of success, motivating them to take on more ambitious projects as their skills grow. The versatility of pallet wood also enhances its appeal for small furniture projects. Beginners can modify pallet wood in various ways: cutting, sanding, staining, or painting to achieve their desired look and feel. The wood can easily adapt to different designs, whether contemporary, rustic, or industrial, making it versatile enough to suit various personal styles and environments. This versatility encourages creativity, allowing beginners to reinvent traditional furniture forms or create entirely unique designs with relative ease. Furthermore, small projects made from pallet would require fewer tools and less space than more extensive furniture-making endeavors. Beginners often begin with a limited toolkit and may work in shared spaces or small workshops. Pallet wood projects, typically involving straightforward cuts and simple assembly, mean that novices do not need an expansive array of tools to get started. This ease of entry removes barriers for beginners and allows them to gain confidence with their existing tools while working in a smaller workspace. Another significant benefit is the community that surrounds pallet woodworking. As the trend of using pallet wood continues to grow, an extensive online community has emerged. Platforms such as Pinterest, Instagram, and various woodworking forums provide vast resources for beginners looking for inspiration, tips, and advice. Sharing projects and experiences fosters a sense of camaraderie and encouragement that can be immensely beneficial for novice woodworkers. This community serves as a reminder that making mistakes is part of the learning process, and seeing others embrace that journey can help beginners push through their challenges. Additionally, as beginners create small furniture projects using pallet wood, they often find a sense of pride and fulfillment in their creations. Crafting something from start to finish instills a feeling of ownership and accomplishment, which can be incredibly rewarding. When desired projects are completed successfully, this positive reinforcement can strengthen their interest in woodworking as a hobby or even a potential career path. The process of creating also brings an element of mindfulness and relaxation, allowing woodworkers to step away from the stresses of everyday life and engage in the meditative aspects of their craft. Moreover, small furniture projects from pallet would allow for customization options, catering to the unique needs and preferences of the woodworker and their potential customers. Beginners can explore personalized designs, often leading to unique home furnishings tailored to specific spaces or styles. This hands-on approach fosters innovation and experimentation with design elements, further enhancing the distinctiveness of each piece. Customization allows beginners to develop their creative voice, which is invaluable as they progress in their woodworking journey. Creations. The demand for handmade items continues to grow, and unique, rustic furniture made from pallet wood often attracts a specific market segment interested in sustainable and artisanal products. Beginners can start selling at local craft fairs, flea markets, or through online platforms, effectively transforming their hobby into a source of income. This transition from hobbyist to entrepreneur can be both empowering and financially rewarding, further incentivizing skill development and creativity. As beginners continue to explore the world of woodworking through small projects, they also learn valuable skills that extend beyond carpentry. Problem-solving becomes an essential aspect of the creative process. When faced with challenges, whether related to design, assembly, or finishing, woodworkers must cultivate innovative solutions. This adaptability not only enhances their woodworking practice, but also translates into improved critical thinking skills applicable to various aspects of life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beginner-friendly pallet wood project ideas you can make in a weekend. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.